Good morning, second grade. It is Thursday, April 9th. We're on day 5A. Remember, we're splitting everything into two parts, so we'll do 5A today, 5B tomorrow. And so we'll go into your packets today. Today, we're going to do some work on multi-syllable words. That means words that have more than one syllable. If you remember, we count our syllables by putting our hand under our chin. We'll say the word, and however many times your chin touches your hand is how many syllables are in that word. So, for example, they have the word nutshell here that I have marked for you. Nutshell. You'll see that it touches your chin to your hand twice when you put your hand under your chin. If you did the word muffin, muffin, when you have two consonants together, that's where you do the split, unless it's a digraph where they need to stay together, okay? But if they're two of the same, we can split them right there. Both of those are examples of closed syllables. So you can see that is what we're working on today. So in your packet, you're going to take out the mark the syllable activity sheet, which will look something like this. Go ahead and get your name, get your student number, get today's date, April 9th. It is day 5A. And so you can see nutshell is already done for you. Muffin is your next one. So if you remember, we just did that word muffin for you. And so you will be able to use that to help you on this word muffin. You're going to go ahead and do all the words. You're going to put your hand under your chin. As you say each word, you're going to break down the syllables and then go ahead and mark those syllables. Make sure you mark those vowel sounds. If you go ahead and mark digraphs and bonus letters, you can also do that on there in addition to the other work. But go ahead and make sure you mark all those words. When you pause the video, we'll be back and do the next part of your work today. So go ahead and mark those syllables. Okay, our next activity is going to be dividing syllables, okay? And so you're again going to take a page, you're going to have some words to go through, you're going to do the same thing, hand under your chin, you're going to say the word, and then you're going to just divide it into its two parts. So sling, shot, you'll break it off to sling and shot into the syllables, okay? If you had the word goblin, hand under your chin, goblin, G-O-B would be the first part, L-I-N would be the second part. So that's your free answer of the day on that one. Go ahead and do the remainder of these all the way through the word dentist and divide up those syllables, okay? When you're all done, have an adult, again, check out your work. Make sure that you have spelled things correctly. Finally today, and of course, you can always pause the video if you need to have more time. Our trick words for today that we're going to look at. Again, trick words do not follow our phonics rules, and so we don't mark trick words, but we do practice them so that we know them when we see them both in our reading and in our writing. So our words: against, new, no, always, often, and once. Okay, so go ahead and parents, you can make those flashcards if you'd like of those. Practice those with your child often so that they know those words right away. All right, thank you for tuning in today. Tomorrow we will do day 5B. It'll be a Friday, so we'll come back and check it out. Thanks for tuning in.